Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, September the 16th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus, a binary one, a medium one, and a killer one. Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. But we will start first with the binary. The binary, this one, will be number. Let me check this. This one will be number. Yes, it's 15. It's 1537. Yes, 1537. And what kind of binary Sudoku is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's or 5 and 5 ones. Yes? Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Then double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. We have now 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. And then 4 ones in this row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 rows in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 5 ones now in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. And then need to write between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here or fifth one there, we have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So here cannot be a 1. Here in these 2 places should be an O. Alright, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column, not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we need to compare. No, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. This and the row below. Let me compare. 000011 empty box. 001111 00 empty box. 1. Oh, no. This is not the same. This row is almost the same. Double 1, here and O, there no. Alright, almost the same. Almost the same. So this is not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 O's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Double 1, here and O, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Finished in 7 minutes. Alright. So comparing is no need in this binary. So I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.